If you're asking yourself whether a seller trend is worth using in 2025, it really comes down to what you need from your dropshipping business and how serious you are about scaling. Seller Trend is an all-in-one platform that combines product research, store management, and automation tools. This integration makes it easier to find trending products and import them directly to your Shopify store without juggling multiple apps or tools. One of the biggest advantages of Seller Trend in 2025 is real-time access to trending product data. The dropshipping market is more competitive than ever, and having up to date analytics, Facebook ad examples, and competitor insights gives you a serious edge. This helps you pick winning products faster, test ideas, and avoid wasting money on slow movers. Beyond product research, Seller Trend's automation features are a major time saver. Orders from your Shopify store are automatically synced with suppliers, which means less manual work on your end. You can also set up automated pricing rules that adjust product prices based on supplier changes or your desired profit margin, keeping your store competitive without constant micromanagement. That said, Seller Trend does come with a monthly subscription fee for beginners on a tight budget. This might feel like a big investment. However, if you're serious about building a sustainable dropshipping business and want to save hours each week by automating tasks, the cost is often worth it. It's a tool that grows with you, providing valuable insights and efficiency as your store scales. If this helped you figure out if Seller Trend is right for you, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more e-commerce reviews and tips, and leave a comment below with any questions or your experience with the platform.